Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give here another reaction. And today, guys, we're not waste no time. Premiere, we're not waste no time. Bugzy Malone drop Daily Duppy. With Daya, we're not waste no time. Literally live. Let's go. Let's go, Bugs. Boss are rolling. The entrance alone, dog. The entrance alone set this fire. Yo, man, I have so much respect for Bugzy. It's unbelievable, bro. Watch the confidence, yo. Watch the growth, yo. Watch the growth, yo. Yo, Bugzy are the maddest thing from up north, brother. Watch the boss confidence, brother. Look on the growth, dog. Bugzy make up a bump buckler self, G. Hear it up in time. Fire! Star music. Fucking star. Ready?
Bugzy Malone.
That is it.
2022.
That is it. Daily Duppy. Listen.
Watch this. Climb so high, I'm starting to feel dizzy. CR7 on the pitch, I'm still tricky. Had a couple real niggas in the field with me. I didn't bring the steel with me, cause I'm a businessman now. When big top shotters started asking for a handout.
Yo, oh, did I hear that? The man say, yo, him not bring no steel with him. Him past time level a long time. Climbing to the sky, the man not there with him, brother.
Didn't bring the steel with me, cause I'm a businessman now. When big top shotters started asking for a handout, I knew I'd lost my old friends and I would have to stand down. Couple of
man say when big top shotters start asking for your handout, that means him pass the big shot of them. The so-called big shot of them, him pass them long time, him gone left them, bro.
My frenemies, I nearly had to bang out. Man down, and I could bring a gang out. Rule number one, be low-key and never stand out. In Liverpool, I learned to bury money, that's a mad town.
Man say in Liverpool, him learn to bury money, dog. You know what money you have for bury money, dog? No joke. No joke. Monies. Run, please.
Eating porridge in my Dolce & Gabbana nightgown. Pictures in my iCloud and slits in my eyebrow. One from the barber, the other from some other shit. Damn, I hate to reminisce. Like when I used to listen to the Chronic back when I thought Chronic had the remedy. Rule number 2, protect your energy. And this is big business, I'm trying to build an empire. And this is really me, I'm trying to live and inspire. You won't get the message if I don't speak the language. Sometimes I have to JDZ and spit fire.
Yo, Bugzy not fi rap again. Bugzy not fi sing the next line again. Bugzy not fi do the next 16 or next 4 bar again in my life, brother. The man set him thing, bro. Which other artist in the UK set like Bugzy? Honestly, wanna speak for me in the comment section. Which other artist in the UK set like how Bugzy set him thing, brother? In such a short space of time, dog. Come on.
You won't get the message if I don't speak the language. Sometimes I have to JDZ and spit fire. Grown up watching movie stars like Denzel. Where I come from, it's not easy to do well. I'm in Mexico shaking hands with the cartel. I told them I'm gangster too and that I started in hell. Mom told
man say me in Mexico shaking with the cartel. You know say you can't be anybody for have links with the cartel, brother. You have to have status, brother. You have to have reputation, dog. You have to have trust and loyalty for your name, G. For even do that. You know what I mean? Yo!
Mexico shaking hands with the cartel. I told them I'm gangster too and that I started in hell. Mom told me I should come home. Oh, now I'm still adapting to the time zone. She calls me the Dodger, cause I'm in a league of my own. Skillful, listen to me rhyme homes. Head they mad, head they daft, can they not do the maths? Rule 3, if you fall off, make a comeback. I don't know if it...
Yo, the man get rule 1, rule 2, in the rule 3 already, rule 3 you know. Rule 3 say, yo, if you get knocked down, jump back up. If you fall off, make sure you go back on track. Because your life no stop or fall off. You have to keep going. Rum, please. Rum, please.
If he's a pitbull or a staff, I just know that I would send him in first to go and catch man in the bath. Are they mad? Are they daft? And they not do the maths. Rule 3, if you fall off, make a comeback. I don't know if he's a pitbull or a staff. I just know that I would send him in first to go and catch man in the bath. Are they mad? Are they daft? Can they not see the stats? Rule 4, go legit once you finished in the trap. And the roads are a lie and a black. In the 90s there was money to be made, but they're never coming back.
Rule 4, once you make enough, brother, go legit. Low certain things, low certain life, it's gonna end up get fuck. Run, please. Run, please.
And the roads are a lie and a black. In the 90s there was money to be made, but they're never coming back. I'm not trying to be boisterous. I'm in Dubai in a top restaurant with Tabasco and my oysters.
In the 90s, there was money to be made. No, them days are not come back. The days done, the game done, you know, dog. If you not have a special connection in the game done, you know. So if you never make it then, you're not gonna make it now. Try something else. Run, please.
I'm not trying to be boisterous. I'm in Dubai in a top restaurant with Tabasco and my oysters. Had to take a vacation, the money's pointless if you can't switch the noise off. They lied about me in an interview, but it's okay, cause they've not really said it till they've said it to your face.
Who will tell lie on him in an interview? Leave in the comment section, please. Who will tell lie on Bugzy in the interview? Wanna tell lie on the G5?
Lied about me in an interview, but it's okay, cause they've not really said it till they've said it to your face.
Yeah.
And them man are not man enough to put me in my place, so I just let them have their say. I'm so responsible. I was in the dock looking at the chief constable. We all know time in a cell's non-refundable. I'm walking around the mall with a man holding my bags, and the sofa in Dior's got me feeling so comfortable.
Bro, if you walk around run animal at all with somebody with a bag carry a fear, brother. Bro, dog, come on.
Well, I'm walking around the mall with a man holding my bags, and the sofa in Dior's got me feeling so comfortable. Levels to this shit, levels to this shit. I'm Cristiano, I started on the pitch like Marciano. I'd wear gloves, but we pedal everywhere, so I really had to break them in.
Yo, this are the best. This is one of the best success story out of the UK as rappers. Like, this is one of the best success story, cause anything when you hear Bugzy sing right now in a diss or any other song, the man actually show you proof in them video, them brother. The man show you proof. You have enough rappers as sing shit and not show you no proof. Wanna move. Bugzy showing a run, please.
Like Marciano, I'd wear gloves, but we pedal everywhere, so I really had to break them in. One night in Salford, I had to iron a man out, and if you don't believe me, ask 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. R.I.P. Jared, that's a Manchester soldier that should have lived. Damn, I hate to reminisce. Shit gets messy when you're from the roads. A man killed his own baby, caught a sentence like a common cold. And now they say that he's a schizophrenic. They forget we wore masks way before the pandemic. Rule number 5, turn your pain into drive. Rule number 6, only get into the mix if.
Rule number 5, turn the pain in a drive, dog. Rule number 5, turn the pain in a drive. So whatever you got through, brother, make it encourage you to push forward, BG. Make it encourage you to do better with yourself, no matter what. Whatever you got through, just always remember, say somebody's out there got through it worse than you, dog. No job.
They're trying to escape from the bottom and get rich. If they're trying to go back to jail, give them man a miss. Life's different when you're infamous. What does that mean? It means a lot. When you came up serving crack fiends, I've seen a lot. Yeah, I came up around them bandits. If you've never seen a jail cell, you wouldn't understand it. Had to leave them, they was envious. It's like Armageddon when you start off at the bottom and you're trying to get to heaven. Rule number 7, you should never settle. Aim for the skies or keep dancing with the devil.
Man, yo, come on, dog. Like, come on, bro. Like, who can test? Like, yo, anything where you hear Bugzy sing about, dog, the man a bleed, dog. Yo, Bugzy a king in a brother. When the man first come out and say, yo, king of the north in a brother, don't take him light in a bro. Which other artists in the UK I live like how Bugzy live? And I show it. Enough artists are sing about it and not even live them life there, bro. Bro, Bugzy in a movie, you know, brother. Like, come on, dog. Like, come on. And it's not just any little low budget movie, bro. Like, bro, this was fire. This was fire. This one, brother. We need a next part. Bugzy, we need a next part. This is one of the hardest daily Duppy out, brother. Like, no joke. I'm gassed for this one. That's why I'm on this right away. Like, as it dropped me the panic. Yo, this one I'm gonna leave the one still. Bugzy. This one I'm gonna leave the one the guys. If you enjoy the reaction and I want to see more from your boy JAMAICA'S gamer, please drop a subscribe on the channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure to like the video. Big up the early squad them who are gonna watch this video early to big up on yourself. Out, man.